So, as you guys know, we built a chicken coop, and as you can see behind us, we built a chicken run, and now we'd love to show you how we did that. The first step to building the chicken run is to construct the two side walls. We decided we wanted the chicken run to be underneath our fence line, so we stopped it at 68 inches tall because we have a 6-foot fence. We knew how tall we wanted the chicken run to be, but we weren't really sure how long we wanted it. We had 4 12-foot long 2x4s, so we decided to start with that and work from there. We had to anchor the walls to something, so we put a 2x4 down by the base of the chicken coop where the 2 front legs are. Before we could secure the walls in place, Matt had to do some digging with the pickaxe just to get them nice and level. Once the trenches were dug, Matt held both walls up while I went and got the level just to make sure we were all set before we secured it in place. After we confirmed that the chicken run was level, Matt went ahead and started securing it to the base. And then we did the same to the other side. Now after standing at both sides, Matt and I stood back and really took in our chicken run and thought to ourselves that it was a little bit bigger than we had thought it was going to be. We knew we only wanted 3 to 4 chickens and they need about 3 square feet in the coop, but 10 square feet each outside of the coop. And we were just seeing that this was going to be a lot of chicken wire and a lot of tin roofing to finish it. So we made the executive decision to cut it in half. So instead of having a 12-foot long chicken run, we were going to have a 6-foot by 6-foot chicken run. So we cut both sides in half and then we swung one side out to meet the middle so that we could easily construct the rest of the coop. Matt and I went with 2-foot by 25-foot chicken wire that had 1-inch size gaps to keep out critters. For the next couple of hours we hung chicken wire and I stained all the wood a dark walnut color. I thought this would be nice because as it ages it'll just get warmer and warmer and the color will last longer than a lighter tone.
I got a little idea.
Go for it.
I'm going to curve the middle end on the third one, this one too. And that way it'll look a little like the wave.
Wave after wave? I think go for it.
Alright, that's easier than me making them straight.
Yep.
Because they're rocks.
The rocks.
They're rocks.
Forget about it.
I'm going to drop them like that. Rocks.
So my mom really likes landscaping and she saw some old landscape stones that Matt and I had over in a corner that we weren't using and she thought it'd be really fun to create a walk-up. I totally agree and I think this is really cool and she kind of took it on as her own little project. We're almost to the home stretch. Matt started securing on the roof panels while my mom and I took some herbs I was growing in my kitchen windowsill and put them in some blue pots that we had, just kind of ornamental next to the coop. Well, we put food and water in the chicken run, and now the only thing missing is the chickens themselves. What's up, everyone? So, Matt and I are in the car, and we are so excited because we are on our way to go pick up our little chickadees. Matt and I found this really awesome farmer on Craigslist and headed out to go pick up our chickens, and it was so cool, you guys. He showed us both houses where he keeps the chicks and then where he keeps the pullets. It's adorable. Oh, look, another friend. Matt and I tried to read all the advice we could online before we brought the chickens home. However, we didn't see that you're supposed to put the chickens in their chicken coop first instead of the run. This helps them become well acquainted with their new home. We did this a little backwards, and we'll tell you more about that in our next video. Now, a lot of our friends and family were really curious about how the dogs would handle their new house guests. So here's some clips of Murphy and Hobbs meeting the chickens for the first time. They're sniffing a little bit more.
Hobbsy, Murphy. No, Murphy, be nice. Be nice. Hobbsy, no, be nice. Be nice. Oh, no, guess not.
This is how they'll get their exercise every day. After just a few minutes of sniffing out their new friends, it looks like everything's gonna be just fine. Either that or Murphy and Hobbs are looking forward to a snack they're never gonna get. Well, everyone, thanks for watching. It's been really fun building this chicken coop and this chicken run, and it is so nice to finally have them in their home.
We're super excited and we hope you all enjoyed this video. Check back in soon to see more chickens. more chicken builds.
This is a chicken adventure, and so we have a lot to learn, and we're gonna make more videos about it.
It's gonna be a whole chicken series.
Yeah, like we said before, if you guys have any advice on chickens, please let us know. We just absorb all of it. And until next time, us and the Clucksters, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.